Installing your new Snap Gasket is incredibly easy. Remove your old traditional gasket. There's no right or wrong way to install a Snap Gasket, but we've found this method works well for most people. Start with the top section. Press in the corner piece on the left side and insert the dart about halfway across the door. Work your way counterclockwise around the door. Place the corner pieces in first, then insert the dart along each side, working towards the middle. Continue to work your way around the door, inserting corner pieces and snapping towards the middle of the section. Once the other 3 sides are installed, you can finish the top section by snapping the final corner together and inserting the rest of the gasket. And you're done! When replacing one side, begin by separating the corner pieces of the torn segment. Gently pull out a few inches of the adjacent side. Be sure to pull the gasket from the base and not the snap connector. Finish removing the torn segment. Install your new Snap Gasket segment starting at the corners. Connect the corner pieces, attach to the door, then push the dart in the track, working your way to the middle. Snap Gasket, the last full gasket you'll ever need.